Okay, so we are proceeding for this inauguration of 5 days FDP. So greetings and good morning to all the participants and dignitaries from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai, established in 1990 by Dr. Patangrauji Kadam sir. In this span of 30 years, college has consistently put an effort towards our vision of social transformation through dynamic education. Also, I guess all the institutes should be thankful to AICT Teaching and Learning Academy, ATAL, for providing platform to interact and communicate through this type of FDPs without distance barrier, though we are located in any part of the India. We are truly obliged to Atal for providing opportunity to conduct this FDP on it's one of the thrust area of 3D design and printing. On the outset, I, Professor Sheetal Patel from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, welcome you all on this online 5 days FDP on 3D printing and design. For the inauguration and the briefing out of about this particular 5 days online FDP of 3D printing and design, I would like to introduce Professor Pramod Suryavanshi sir and handing over to him. Sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks a lot for this wonderful, I can say, inauguration of 5 days FDP. Thank you so much. Handing over to sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request our today's actually guest and also speaker for the very first session, Dr. Kanmani Subbu sir, who is from IIT Palakkad. I would request you, sir, for just a few lines for the inaugural speech, and then we'll start with our presentation. So please, sir, just we need your glimpse on 3D printing and design for the as a inaugural speech, and then I'll just give the information about yourself for all the participants, and then we'll go with the PPT and the exact session what we are going to work on.
Yeah, thank
Sir,
you.
over to Kanmani, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Professor Pramod.
Yeah.
So, good morning to all. Good morning, Principal Madam and the faculty members, and then my dear participants. So, welcome you all for this AICT Atal FDP program on 3D printing and design. Actually, I hope everybody is doing good and safe now in this pandemic situation. Even in this pandemic situation, AICT is supporting colleges to conduct this kind of FDP program for the faculty development. I'd like to thank the organizer for conducting this wonderful workshop in this situation. Especially if you see this particular workshop focus on 3D printing and design. So 3D printing is one of the emerging technologies. Especially like day by day, the usage of 3D printing is keep on increasing. Okay, so now what happens, like if you see in our day to life, you are using a 2D printer for printing some matter on the paper. But the same technology now adopted to like manufacture products. So that's why this a process called like 3D printing. Okay, so from 2D, we are just transferring the things to make the final product. That's why like 3D printing. Maybe mark my words, down the line in maybe each and every house we will have a 3D printer for printing our own components in our house itself. Okay, so especially I hope this workshop will focus on basic things to the the research level problems related to this 3D printing. And then if you see the schedule is very well planned and organized in the way maybe the first session may cover the very basics related to 3D printing process. If you go down the line related to metal additive manufacturing processes and then medical based processes and then tissue engineering. So I hope this workshop will give a glimpses of 3D printing, what at present people are doing and what are the future needs. Okay, with a small I'd like to wind up my inaugural speech. Thank you. Over to Professor Pramod.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.